one of the things that I have to make very clear is that that is what is required of me under the constitution of ODM. And I am not combative in every situation, but the combativeness is called for under the constitution when you're dealing with issues or propaganda that is detrimental to the interest of ODM. So for instance, if somebody comes and accuses ODM of refusing to share money with them, it is my job as SG of ODM to combat that propaganda, and I combated it. That is the job. All this noise about money, it was just political blackmail. And you know, somebody can blackmail you to the extent where the neck felt, our names are being besmirched every day. Let these people show us the calculation. How have they calculated this money? So Kalonzo sent us a calculation. We paid them that money. And these days you don't hear anything about ODM and money because we paid them.